Hey you guys, and good morning and welcome back to DAT Family 5, or welcome. My name is Atoya. I'm a wife, I'm a working wife and mother, and on today's video we will be going ahead and put together this Costco Catry, C-A-T-R-Y, Catry, C-A-T-T-R-E-E. It's an all-in-one. It was about $99 at Costco. As y'all know, we do have animals here. We have 2 cats, 2 dogs, and now we are down from 20 fish to 2. Y'all, it's ridiculous. I can't keep fish. Anyways, so I am putting this together. The cats stay in Rayne's room, and they come out from time to time when the dogs are in the sunroom. No, my cats and my dogs do not commingle. They don't like each other. Other than that, we're good. As you can see, Topaz is here with me as always because she is attached at my hip. Why? I don't know. You would think she actually came out of me, but it's okay. That's my baby girl, and that is my support system. So we can go ahead and get into this video. Right now I'm showing y'all the pieces of it, and I really hope that y'all enjoy. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click the subscription box down below. Please turn it red to gray to join our family, and please make sure that you watch this video all the way through, like the video, and make sure that you comment down below. All these things are free, and we appreciate you so much. All right, thank you for spending your precious time with us. Let's get on with this video and the music.
You anymore, spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again.
All right, you guys, so at this point of the video, I am actually looking at the picture. I didn't know what the directions were, and I need to look at the pictures real quick. So yeah, so I'm looking at the picture on the thing, but you will see later on the video that I'll have to take some parts off that I've done, because there's a certain way certain things got to be taken care of, and I finally got the whatchamacallit, I finally got the directions. So
to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. How much you're messing with me. much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare to. I'm too fragile, and for that I do apologize. Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I think I'm love drunk and it feels wrong, but I'm not afraid to admit I used to feel safe next to you, babe. Now I'm thinking I deserve a hit. Maybe someday we could work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night I fall down in the middle of the night screaming, oh my God, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. I reach out in the middle of the night screaming, oh my, 'cause your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. Love's too deep. You know your love's too deep. You know your love's too deep.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I don't know the reasons, I'm not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Pause. Alright, so I normally build things from the bottom up. This one wants you to build from the middle down and then middle up. Weird. So it wanted me to do the boxes first. So we did the boxes, right? And now, so this is
Someone
B.
was detected at your front of house.
It wants me to do these, do B first, and then we go down. So I have to restart.
Yeah, that's why I gave you instructions. You tell me all the time. Well, I'm here to support you.
Who is that? All right, so
Hello? Hello? Hey, hey, can I talk to you? Hello? 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 Hello?
'Cause I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. Oh, oh, I am waking up from a dream, yeah, yeah. Baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. I said, why? I don't wanna be just a memory on the screen. Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the line, all things are burning up. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the line. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down in the line, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the line. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. A game with no winners. We keep pushing more and more. Crashing down in the line, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. We're crashing down in the line. Our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. It's not under neon bright lights when you, I see you dancing on the parade.
All right, as
Just wanna have a
always,
good time, don't you?
I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Hopefully they still got it on Costco. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Don't forget to join our family by clicking the red box and turning it red to gray to join our wonderful and growing family, okay? For we are the family of love, life, and having fun, and give you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. There will be some cleaning going on because school starts in a week. So normally we start after Labor Day, This year we are starting before, I think last year we started before Labor Day, and this year we're starting on the 28th, so the week of Labor Day. So they go for 4 days, off for a 4-day weekend, and they come back on Tuesday. So we should have a good week. Ezekia does have open house on the 23rd. I may take y'all, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know, we'll do all that. Oh. Let me finish up for real. So we are the family that love life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We thank y'all so much for spending your precious time with us, because time is so precious. Yeah, we'll see y'all on the tube. Peace out.